Hello everyone, I'm V1sua11zat1on. Today I'm going to show you some visualizations and interesting conclusions of the 2021 Double 11 Shopping Festival based on the real order data. My presentation will be divided into three parts. First, I will introduce our data set and how we obtain it. Then I will show you how we process the raw data and what attributes we use. Finally, I will show you the visualization demo and some interesting conclusions. Part 1, Introduction. As a partner of Taobao Affiliate Marketing Network, we collected 11,000 real-world order data on Alibaba Group, including Taobao, Tianmao, Juhuasuan, during Double 11 Shopping Festival, and each order data contains 58 attributes. Here we only introduce 13 attributes that we think are interesting and useful. Firstly, the times attributes. The click time is the time you first browse the item page, and the create time is the time when you add the item to your shopping cart, and the payment time is the time you finally pay for it. Secondly, the items attributes contains the item title, store name, category name, and item price. Thirdly, customers attributes contains the customer's gender, age, and location. Finally, affiliate marketing attributes contains the commission, subsidy, and revenue. Part 2, data processing. Based on the order data over time, we draw a line chart to show the GMV trends, and according to the frequency of each item's title, we generated a tag cloud. The creation time minus the click time we use as the hesitation time to measure each category's conversion rate, and combines orders and delivery address, we get the purchasing power of each province. Part 3, data analysis and conclusions. Firstly, I want to show you the big screen data visualization demo. It shows some real order data, total GMV, orders, UV, and clicks. Let me introduce more in detail. This chart shows the daily orders and clicks during Shopping Festival. The number of orders reached two peaks on November 1st and 11th because the discounts and subsidy were biggest during festival. There is also a small peak in November 3rd because many customers are impatient, they don't want to wait till Double 11. Another interesting point is that most customers start to browse their favorite items only 2 days before the shopping festival. Secondly, the heat map of purchasing power for each province. From the map, we can clearly see that the purchasing power of coastal provinces is significantly higher than that of inland provinces, such as Guangdong, Zhejiang, and Jiangsu. However, Shandong and Henan are also among the best in purchasing power due to their relatively large population. Thirdly, the tag cloud of the item's title shows during Double 11 Festival. Tags warm, sick, winter account for the vast majority because the nationwide cold wave cooling process impact during Double 11 Festival. On the other hand, the tag cloud of the item's category shows tags snack, textile, oil, fast food account for the most because almost everybody likes to stock up and slow down during the shopping festival. The average commission rate grouped by items categories indicates the commission rate of dietary supplement, medical instrument, and tea are relatively high. It seems that the commission rate in seniors market is high, which may be related to the lack of judgment of the elderly. We can also find the electronic items commission rate is almost zero. Due to the impact of COVID-19, the chip shortage has affected the production capacity of electronic devices. Finally, the item's conversion time, also called hesitation time. Generally speaking, the hesitation time for large items is more longer and the small items is shorter. As expected, the computer hardware hesitation time is about 3.6 days. I think this is because enthusiasts are always difficult to make up their decision to choose which CPU or which graphic card, which memory to use. Surprisingly, home decoration has the highest average hesitation time, about 7 days, almost 10 times the Simple's average hesitation time, which may indicate that we think house decoration is the most important event in our life. That determines the quality of life for a long time. As expected, most people have no resistance to snacks. We place an order almost immediately. For some reason, the hesitation time of contraceptive pills is the shortest. The average hesitation time of the whole Simple is about 25,000 seconds. It's hard to imagine that we spend so much time just considering which one to buy. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed my presentation. If you need my dataset, I'm happy to provide you.